In manufacturing, there are many ways to cut plastic. For example, scoring with a knife, sewing, hot knife cutting, and laser cutting. However, in industrial production and precision part manufacturing, the most commonly used and reliable method is use CNC machining. CNC cutting removes material using CNC tools to achieve the required shape and dimensions. Common processes include CNC milling, CNC routing, and CNC turning. These processes can be used to machine plastic sheets, tubes, ropes, and even complex geometries with high precision. Compared to manual cutting or conventional tools, CNC machining offers higher accuracy and can consistently produce complex features such as holes, slots, and contours. In my experience, engineering plastics like ABS, POM, PC, PEK, and PMMA are all very suitable for computers' numerical control machining. By selecting the right cutting tools, controlling cutting speed, and reducing heat buildup, we can avoid meltings, burrs, and edge deformation while achieving a better surface finish. For simple plastic sheets or tubes, basic cutting tools are usually enough, but for high-precision parts, functional prototypes, or small batch production, CNC machining is a more reliable and efficient solution.